What's going on, guys? Today we actually have an exciting day. I mean, it's a box. We're doing an unboxing today, and it's something I've been looking for forever. So what we're gonna do is we'll go ahead and just jump on in. But I'm stoked because I got the tape off, so that way it would make it a little easier, but I haven't actually laid eyes on it yet. But I'm pretty stoked about it. So let's get in it. So as you can tell, I have a helmet, and you're like, what's so special about a helmet? Everybody, I mean, you have to have a lid to ride a motorcycle in most states. But this one is special in more than one way. So we'll jump in the box and then we'll get to talking about it. But it is a HJC. It's an RPHA-10, which are discontinued. They're on the RPHA-11s now. But I'm pretty stoked about this one. So let's get in it. I want to lay eyes on it. So if you don't know, I'm actually late to the party. This actually came out in 2013. This is Jorge Lorenzo's helmet. He actually wore this for the MotoGP race in 2013 at his home track, and he actually won the race. But what makes this helmet special is the artist. She's actually a girl by the name of Anna Vives. I believe I'm saying that right. She actually has Down syndrome. So when I've only been riding motorcycles for about 2 years now, and so when I started looking in the helmets, I'm like, this one caught my eye, just because, I mean, like the graphics on her are beautiful. HJC is known for some of the best helmets in the business, and came across the helmet, loved the graphics, but I didn't think too much about it. I mean, other than the fact that it's a beautiful helmet. Well, then I started kind of doing some research and realized that there's more to it, than just a pretty graphic. So he actually, I guess, hired her to design the helmet itself. So everything you see is done by this artist, Anna. So what he actually did, so they designed the helmet for the race in 2013, and then once he actually finished first, so he won the race with this helmet, and then afterwards auctioned his helmet from that race off to completely benefit her charity. So I believe it raised $35,000 for her charity, which is pretty cool. So I know a lot of you are probably Valentino Rossi fans, because who wouldn't be? I mean, he's awesome. But stuff like that is really cool. So not only is this an awesome looking helmet, but it's got a little backstory to it as well. So hopefully, it's definitely an attention grabber. So that way, he did a really good job of raising awareness for it. So I feel like there needs to be more of that in today's world. So hopefully when people ask me about it, like I said, there's a little backstory. And I know I'm late to the game, but this has taken me a long time to find. Like, they are impossible to come by. Like I said, this is from 2013. I didn't start riding motorcycles till 2 years ago, and I fell in love with this helmet. And just as soon as I saw it, and it is brand new, so as soon as I saw it, I had to jump on it. So you're gonna pay a lot for them, but 100% worth it. And I was kind of worried because a lot of them, when you get them, they have like the big old DOT sticker on the back, which covers the graphics. So I guess I kind of lucked up, and it is DOT certified. This one doesn't have the sticker, which that's perfectly fine by me. But this one I actually found it came from the Netherlands. Like, that's how ridiculously hard it is to find these things. But I appreciate you watching. Like I said, not the most thrilling thing to unbox, but I'm stoked on it, especially for something that is this cool looking. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I'll put Anna's information so that we can check her out. And like I said, she's got a great organization. She's an artist herself with Down syndrome, so she does a lot. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.